spot. Nope, that's 9. Lay down, baby. You want back up now?
I got allergies, if you can tell by my eyes.
Yeah.
But I'm heating up some chili I made the other night, and I want you guys to see our view from our RV here. You go out here, side view there, they got a fire going on, and out here on the back patio, would you look at this? We got a lakefront campsite here. So you saw us earlier over at that dock. There's a dock over there. Let's see if I can see it from here. Yep, there it is. The dock's right down there. There's 2 docks. And it's supposed to get down to upper 40s tonight. And high tomorrow is 64 degrees. High the next day that we'll be here is 67 degrees. So it's looking like a good stay here. 3-night stay. Hey, we made it to our next stop. It's a little town called Sauk Center, and we're on Sauk Lake. So our camping spot's actually right up behind us here. We're sitting out here on this dock.
Maybe pronouncing it incorrectly.
It might be, yeah, I might not be pronouncing it right. S-A-U-K. Centre. That's where we're at.
Center.
Yeah. And I'll give you a panoramic. Wow, look at the beautiful colors. And the sky is nice and blue, a few puffy white clouds. We're up on this dock right here. And I'll see if I can show you the RV. The RV is right there. Our back patio is sticking right out, like over those plants there.
Right behind that tree.
Yeah, right behind that tree. So we got a water view. It's really quite unique. Really unique campground. Unique, I should say campsite.
Yeah.
Just walking around this little town. We actually, we're walking now, but we've got the golf cart over there parked in the parking lot. And they got golf cart paths through certain areas of the town we've been on. And the campgrounds are right over there. And our site is out by the water, out over in that area too. There's a boat launch right over there. And it's very quiet around here. It's a Sunday, so it's nice and peaceful. Cheryl's trying out the tire swing. Pixie's exploring. Alright, so this is our last day here at the Sauk Lake City Park. I think it's called Sinclair Lewis Campground. It's been very, very nice here. The views have been amazing. First time we've had our new RV to where we backed up right to the water and folded out our patio. And it's been very awesome. But anyway, I wanted to get in here and show you guys. I had in storage up here, I forgot I put it there before I left, my DJI drone. So I'm charging up the batteries. They seem to be dead. And I've got this neat little case for it. And I haven't used this in a long time. I've had it, for a couple years. And last year we went on mostly state parks, which drones are banned in state parks. But this time we've been traveling, mostly private campgrounds and stuff. Especially when I found out that you can't drive a golf cart in a state park, at least most of them that we've been to. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this drone out here later on, and you guys let me know in the comments if you appreciate the drone shots. I might be a little bit out of practice, so they might not be refined yet. I'm gonna need some more practice with this drone, but we'll see how it looks in our videos going forward. arrived at Crystal Springs in southern Minnesota just a little while ago. I got everything all hooked up on the RV, and this is around the lake here, a little small lake, and we're actually following this path behind the lake. It's pretty cool. Doggies are liking it. Lake's over there, campground's over there.
Pretty flowers right there.
And luckily we got here. We needed, our laundry. We got more dirty clothes than clean clothes right now, and sheets and blankets and towels. So I've got some laundry in already. So it's a nice bonus to have a laundry room here. And I think that's probably how we're going to travel. I thought maybe we might put in, washer dryer combo, but I don't think there's really enough room. As long as we can, there's no need. We can use the space more. And we're seeing laundry rooms at about every third campground anyway. So might as well do it that way. So this is phase 1. They got completed here at Crystal Springs in Minnesota. Just one little loop here. There's outside the lake where we are, and we're in 14A, and then up against the lake right down this row here. Phase 2, they got bulldozers going on over there on the other side. So I guess that'll be ready next year or something. Anything you want to add?
No, the weather's perfect.
Oh yeah, weather's
a little cool.
Nice and crisp. Yeah, it's crisp right now.
It's crispy, a light crisp.
Yep.
Not enough to see your breath, but just a perfect little chill.
We're here for 4 nights, so Cheryl can finish working this week, and then we'll travel again on the weekend and get down to somewhere in Iowa. Probably do a 1-night stay in Iowa, and then skip along and go to the next spot on Sunday and stay a few days there, wherever it may be. I have to plan it out yet. I'm doing it different this year, and I'm getting to our spots and then booking after we get here. It's a lot easier, and it's kind of like camping season's kind of ending now, so there's openings, easier to find openings. So there's our rig over there, the Outlaw, right next to a Tiffin open road, which we used to have. And there's the laundry room, big shower rooms, and a little convention room. We're right there. All right, so we've got a new issue in our 2021 Thor Outlaw 38 MB, and discovered it on this trip. Actually, I guess Cheryl or I discovered it. We noticed it a few days ago, maybe about a week ago. So this is the bathroom area. If you look down here, the tile, this is laminate. Just one sheet laminate tile all the way over this whole coach. And right here, watch out, Pixie, watch out. I'm trying to show them something. Right here is like a screw head that's coming up. See how loose this is? I'm trying to show them something. Stay back. There's the head right there. So I'm going to cut down that caulk line. It's a imitation caulk line, and then this way, and then peel this up. I have access to that bolt head right there. You silly.
And it's going to puncture through here if I don't do something about it. So I've got a really sharp shop knife. I'm going to go ahead and cut on the seam here. Pixie! Cut the seam where the white seam is, right down there. And then peel this up. That up. And then take out the bolt, probably. Put some silicone or adhesive on it and tighten it back down in there. And then I've got clear silicone to put all around underneath this floor that's loose. So that's my plan. I'm going to go ahead and try it, and I'll bring you along to watch, to see the results. You guys stay back. Now I'm going to use a brand new blade in my knife. I've got some clear silicone here I plan to use, and I'm going to use this to kind of make a straight edge, maybe, or I might eyeball it right over this head here. I feel it letting up there, so we got started there. Go this way. Hey, get back. Get back. You have to stay back.
Your pants.
Okay, there it is. It definitely is a Phillips screw head. Hopefully it didn't get this too out of shape. If I had a heat gun on hand, I'd actually try to heat this up. But all we got is silicone. So let me get the head, this screw head out first. Get my drill. And then we'll go from there. All right, let's see if it will back out. That's a long screw. It's threaded all the way down. So I would have liked to have some Loctite on hand. I don't, so I'm going to put silicone all over here, tighten it back up, and see how long that lasts. I'm going to squeeze silicone down in this hole here. All right. Now I got to get some silicone in underneath the tiles here, or the flooring. These are not actual tiles. It's looking really good. I'm just using a wet paper towel here. Squeeze that silicone all underneath the flooring. So that's how you fix a backed out screw if you have one in your RV coming up through your laminate. Here it is. No signs of cuts. And I think I'll put something heavy on here and keep it here for a while until that silicone dries.